Olivia drinks 4 bottles of apple juice each day. Each bottle of juice contains 12 fluid ounces. Which equation represents A, the total amount of apple juice she would drink in days? Here's my question mark, and if I move backwards, there is my question. Which equation represents A, the total amount of apple juice she would drink in 3 days? Again, they're trying to mess us up by telling us we're looking for a letter, but we know that that letter stands for something. In this case, it stands for the total amount of apple juice that she's going to drink in 3 days. So let's find all the information about the apple juice we can. Olivia drinks 4 bottles of apple juice each day. They're using that word again, each. That word tells me I should start thinking of 2 operations right away. What are the 2 operations I should start thinking of right away? Kylie.
Division and multiplication.
Okay, division, multiplication. Each bottle of juice contains 12 fluid ounces. So again with the bottles of juice, and again with the word each. So let's think about what's happening, what she's. Olivia drinks 4 bottles of apple juice. Okay. 4 bottles of apple juice each day. So this is just 1 day of apple juice. How many days are they counting? How many days did they tell us to count? Bradley? It's at the very back of the packet, Violet. Very, very last page. How many days did they tell us to count?
3 days.
3 days.
I looked there and I can't find it. I looked through my binder.
Okay. Just find where you have your problem solving. And it's the very last page of problem solving on the back of the last page. If you find the problems we did yesterday, 18A and 18B, it's on the very back of that page. Okay, 3 days. If she's going to keep drinking apple juice and drinking more and more and more, what operation should I use? Should I use multiplication or should I use division? Bradley, what do you think? Multiplication or division? Which will help me more?
Multiply.
Multiply. I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to multiply these numbers. 4 times 3. And then they told us that every single bottle of apple juice, every single one has 12 ounces of apple juice. So it's 12 and 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 12, however many bottles she drinks. What should I do there? Because they used that word each again. So it's either division or multiplication, but which one should I use? Kylie.
Multiply?
Multiply again. Because it's the same number over and over and over. So I'm going to multiply these numbers. 4 times 3 times 12. I'm going to find the answer choice that matches that. 4 times 12 divided by 3. That's close. Got the right numbers, but the wrong operations. 12 plus 3 times 4. Again, close. Got the right numbers, but the wrong operations. And remember, the good thing about multiplication is, so long as I'm using the right numbers, it doesn't matter what order they're in. 4 times 12 times 3. Got the right numbers, got the right operations. Looking pretty good to me. 4 plus 12 plus 3. Numbers are right, but the operation C is the answer I'm looking for. Okay, number 19. I like this question because it asks about hot sauce. A hot sauce company shipped 8 boxes of hot sauce. Each box contained 24 bottles of sauce with 6 fluid ounces in each bottle. Which equation represents S, the total number of fluid ounces of hot sauce that was shipped? Okay. Got our question mark. We're going to go backwards from the question mark to find our question word. That's which. Which equation represents S, the total number of fluid ounces of hot sauce that was shipped? Okay, so they want to find S. What is S? Total number of ounces of sauce. So I want all the information on hot sauce that I can get. A hot sauce company shipped 8 boxes of hot sauce. Okay. Each box contained 24 bottles of sauce. 24 bottles of sauce, and they use that word each. What are my operations again for each and every and per and equal number and even amount? Violet?
Multiplication and division.
Multiplication and division. With 6 fluid ounces in each bottle. Each bottle, and again they use that word, so again they're telling me multiply or you divide. All right, so let's draw out what's happening here. So they're shipping boxes of hot sauce. Here's one box. How many bottles of hot sauce are in that one box? Kylie?
24.
24 bottles of hot sauce. All right. Are they only shipping out one box, Kylie?
No, they're shipping out 6.
Not 6. What does the problem say?
8.
8. So just to take a shortcut, because I don't want to draw 8 boxes here. There's another box, another box, another box. There are 8 boxes. Okay. So they're shipping all of these boxes of hot sauce. 8 of them. Every single box has 24 bottles of hot sauce. Should I use multiplication to find the number I'm looking for, or division? Bella?
Times?
Multiplication, okay. Because I'm going to keep having more and more hot sauce. Now they also tell me that every single bottle, every single one of them, has 6 ounces of hot sauce in it. 6 and another 6 and another 6 and another 6 and another 6, however many bottles there are. Should I use multiplication for that, or should I use division for that? Violet?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, because it's going to keep having more and more hot sauce. Okay. Got 4 answer choices. Who can tell me which answer choice matches the work that we have here? Kylie?
Answer choice A.
Answer choice.
I mean J.
Oh, J.
I mean J.
Answer choice J. 8 times 24 times 6. That matches perfectly. Again, since it's multiplication, even though we have 24 in the front, that's not a big issue. So long as we have the right numbers and the right operation, we're okay there. The only time you have to be careful with which numbers are first, second, is when you're dividing or when you're subtracting. For multiplication or addition, either number can go first. It'll be the same.